What's up, everybody? It's Mr. Jenkins here at MGMClassicCars.com, Addison, Illinois. And today I'm bringing you this new arrival 1965 Buick Riviera numbers matching car. What a great example. And man, is this car cool. Just got this car in. It's finished in this nice blue paint. It's got the numbers matching engine. The interior is in great shape. It's got tilt wheel, floor shift, odometer reads 73,000 miles, horn works, got your ashtray, cigarette lighter, that. You got your glove box right there. Just a really cool car. Thin white walls. Riviera badge right there. The body lines up great. Looks like the car's never been in a fight. The glass is in great shape. Whoever owned this car, they took really good care of it. You got your door panels, everything in just great shape. I mean, there's a little bit of flaws here and there for it being a mostly original car, but man, for it being what it is, like I said, they took care of it. It's in great shape. I'm going to open up the trunk here. Got a couple keys here. Trunk, great shape. You got your jack, your spare tire. Quarters look good. And overall, like I said, they took really good care of this car, and it shows. And these things are getting hard to find, these rivs. I mean, this car was kind of the cross between somewhat of a muscle car and a luxury car. Considering it's got the big V8 that it came with, and I mean, they had plenty of power. If you're interested in this car, you can visit MGMClassicCars.com to see photos, anything you'd ever need to see, more details about it. Or you could call 847-848-1850. Again, that's 847-848-1850. Close the hood here. We are open Monday through Friday, 9 to 5. Saturday, 10 to 2, all by appointment only. We offer great financing for these classic cars, great monthly payments. And we also ship all over the United States. This car is located at our warehouse in Addison, Illinois. This is just one of them. We have around 250 cars. I hope to see all of you come here at MGM Classic Cars to check out the 65 Buick Riviera. Hope everyone has a great day and enjoyed this video. We really appreciate it here. And I hope to see you guys come in. Everyone have a great day. Bye-bye.